I'll never forget the day my grandmother told me the three most important rules of nature. I was only about 9, and she explained it so clearly. She said, rule number 1, smart people don't need to be good looking, and good looking people don't need to be smart. And if you'll look in the mirror, she said, you'll see that God has already made that decision for you. And then she gave me a list of books to read. I was devastated. And suddenly she grabbed the list and said, I'm just kidding. You don't need to read any books. You're beautiful. Oh, I was so relieved. And that's why I've never read a book. What were those other 2 rules? What are the rules?